Step into the future of collaboration. Welcome to our next-generation virtual conferencing experience, born from the Cortex-2 project and supported by the European Commission. This is Pilot 3, where business meetings break free from flat screens and come alive in immersive 3D. It offers a new way for people to meet, work, and share ideas together. This is not just a meeting. This is presence. This is the future, ready for you. First, put on your virtual headset, such as the Meta Quest. Open the built-in browser inside the headset. Then, type the web link in the address bar and press Enter to go to the page. Next, enter your username and password in the login form. This gives you secure access to the conferencing system. On the left side of the screen, you see a vertical menu. From this menu, you can choose an existing bubble to start a conference, or create a new bubble and invite participants. Inside any bubble, you can add or remove participants using the Participants option in the same left menu. Once a bubble has been selected, you can personalize your avatar. If you don't already have one, use Ready Player Me to design your avatar. If you have already defined your avatar, you can skip this step. Finally, choose the Immersive World option to enter the virtual room and begin your conference. When you enter the immersive world, you arrive in a large virtual room. At the center of the room is a table, and your avatar automatically appears seated in a random chair. In front of you, there is a mirror so you can see yourself and how your avatar looks. On one side of the room, a big screen shows remote participants who join the meeting without using VR headsets, ensuring everyone can take part together. You can see the live engagement value for the conference. This value is calculated based on where you look and how you interact. For example, if you keep turning your head in every direction without focus, the system detects that you may be bored. On your right-hand controller, you have the main menu. Press the A button to open it and see all available options. From here, you can start a conference, launch the assistant, begin recording, or activate and deactivate IoT devices connected to the meeting. From the interface settings, you can connect an existing IoT device to your virtual environment. This information is collected in real time from IoT devices deployed in Athens by Intracom Enterprise. In this demonstration, we link a temperature sensor, so the room displays live climate data gathered from the real world. When you enter the immersive world, a black cube appears in front of you, functioning as a digital desk. On its surface, you can instantly view contextual information such as the current date, time, and live environmental data, for example, showing 21 degrees Celsius on December 9, 2025. In the interface, you can configure how often the coffee break reminder appears. If a meeting runs for an extended period, and depending on the chosen settings, a 3D coffee cup will appear on the table. This subtle visual cue encourages participants to pause, helping them stay refreshed and reducing cybersickness during long sessions. In the immersive environment, a coffee cup appears on top of the table, serving as a familiar anchor and signaling a comforting pause. When the conference begins, you can join directly through the standard Rainbow web interface. In addition, you have the option to use an alternative appearance mode, which allows you to personalize how you are represented during the session.
You hear me? You hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
I think we can now start the replay. Should I change down the avatars?
Please. Yeah, please.
Okay, now we are participating to the meeting. So we are now recording the demo. Yes, actually, hello, my name is Thomas. I'm so happy to be here. And I am shifting the avatar to the next. So, yeah. Can change the avatars. Once you want to participate, you can change the desired avatar like this or some other famous people like.
The conference assistant, named Kova, remains actively listening once enabled. Participants can interact with him by asking questions or making commands, such as inserting 3D objects into the environment. Kova relies on intent detection to understand and respond to user needs, as illustrated in this example.
Hello?
Hi.
Hey, it seems to work.
Yeah, I can see you here.
Yeah, great. Hello. So you are here to ask question about our new Mercedes EQE. Let's ask that to our virtual assistant. Hi, Kova. How are you?
Good morning. How are you doing?
Hi, Kova. Let show us the car on the table.
Let me show you the car.
Okay, so if you have questions, you can ask freely.
Hi, Kova. What is the length of the Mercedes EQE?
The length of the Mercedes AMG EQE is approximately 4,879,192. 2 inches.
Okay, thanks. Hi, Kova. What is the charging time of the Mercedes EQE?
The charging time for the Mercedes AMG EQE can vary based on the charging method used. 1. AC charging. Using a standard home charger, 11 kW. It typically takes around 8 to 9 hours to fully charge the battery. With the optional 22 kW charger, the time may be reduced. When using a DC fast charger, up to 170 kW, the EQE can charge from 10% to 80% in approximately 30 minutes under optimal conditions.
Thank you. I don't have any more questions.
Okay, let's stop the conference, please.
Okay, thank you.
You can ask that to Kova.
Hi, Kova. Can you stop the conference?
When participants join using a VR headset, they appear as avatars inside the conference room. In this example, 3 avatars are present. They can move their hands and teleport themselves to different locations. The main tracking functions currently support hand and head movement on Meta Quest devices, while foot tracking is not yet fully supported in WebXR. Avatars can talk to each other just as in a real meeting. As shown in this example, it may take a few minutes to establish communication, similar to classical conferencing systems, before the interaction flows smoothly.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Yazid? Yazid?
Hello.
Yazid?
Hello.
Yeah, I hear you, Yazid. Do you hear me?
Hello. Well, yeah, I hear you.
Yazid? Do you
Well,
hear me?
yeah, I hear you. Good.
Perfect. How are you doing?
Yeah, we didn't good. Yeah, we didn't hear in Anastasia friend.
Yeah, so
Anastasia.
let me check.
Yeah.
I'll take my headset off.
Cool. Okay. Yeah. Yazid, you start the session? Okay. Perfect.
Hello.
No.
I hear you in the headset.
Oh, okay.
I hear you in the headset.
Good.
Now we see Guillaume. Now we see Guillaume. Hello, Guillaume. Hello, Guillaume. Yeah, I have to start recording.
Okay.
Okay, recording has started.
Recording has started.
Okay,
Hello,
recording has
everybody,
started.
to this,
Hello, everybody.
everybody,
To discuss
new product
today to discuss your new product.
Hey, Yazid, how are you doing?
How are you doing?
I see our colleague is also there. Perfect.
So what about your new product? Okay. So what about your new product?
So the new product has achieved the higher level, and we have a couple very good traction from the end users who we work with. The strongest feedback is strong aligned with the return of investment. They really saw the impact on their financial team, but also the operational. They've seen 80% of reduction in cost and 66% of positive adoption rate.
Do you have a plan for the next few months? Do you have a plan for the next few months?
Yes, indeed. So the next few months we'll be working on validating the pricing model. We have a range in mind, the discussion with the finance department is that we could see a year-on-year profit growth of 12 to 17.5%. So we're very positive with that. Customer team and customer success team have been able to also start a large pool of leads that they're going to ping in the end of the quarter.
That's good news. And any person will join you in the enterprises?
Yes. So we've discussed the possibility of a new COO. A CEO assistant in order to grow the operations and implement everything with the ERP and our entire digitalized operations, and that will help grow them contact overseas next year and then growing outside of the EMEA towards a global market.
Thank you very much, guys, for this. Okay, thank you very much, guys, for this. and I will take care for the minutes and send you it back to you.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. My headset battery starts to be low, so that is actually perfect time. Yazid, it was a pleasure. Next week we'll have a meeting with finance and the head of products so that we dive roadmap to the roadmap and also having the managed accounts perspective for long term.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care. Bye.
Bye bye.
At the end of the conference, a summarized report of the meeting is automatically generated. Within a few minutes, this summary is delivered to the headset as a PDF file, ensuring participants have a clear record of the discussion. Thank you for watching this video. Your interest means a lot.